Today, we are taking a closer look at the Apple AirPods Max headphones in this review. We explored Reddit comments to understand what users truly think about this audio product. Many Reddit users highlighted the incredibly simple and quick setup process for these headphones. One user specifically mentioned the convenience and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Some people felt the design could be slimmer, yet it maintains a stylish appearance. The build quality is considered decent, especially when considering the price point. Connectivity, options, and ports are considered sufficient for most everyday basic uses without complexity. The accompanying app or interface functions adequately, though not exceptionally fast for premium devices. A Redditor noted the bass and active noise cancellation are far superior on the Max compared to AirPods Pros. Another user found the sound quality surprisingly good, even compared to high-end wired audiophile setups. However, a common sentiment is that the sound quality isn't always amazing for the premium price. Pairing with external speakers or a soundbar is often suggested for an enhanced audio experience. Some users recommend external accessories to achieve an even smoother operating experience. Let's now summarize the main advantages and disadvantages of the Apple AirPods Max. Setup is notably simple and very quick, saving users valuable time and effort. Overall performance and quality are considered solid, offering good value for their current price. The dedicated apps generally work fine for the majority of users' needs, providing stable functionality. Many Reddit users agree that these headphones offer great value overall, especially within the Apple ecosystem. Sound quality can be lacking for audiophiles. External speakers often improve the experience. The design is not considered super slim, which some users find bulky or less portable. The interface, while functional, isn't as smooth or premium as some competitor models. Some feel the price is too high for the sound quality offered, suggesting other alternatives. One user mentioned AirPods Max are better for phone calls due to superior ANC on microphones. Another user expressed that they prefer different headphones for a more balanced sound profile. Overall, most Reddit users expressed happiness with their AirPods Max purchase, despite minor flaws. The main takeaway: be mindful of sound limitations and design, but it's a solid choice. Consider your specific needs, especially for travel or Apple TV use, before making a purchase. Thank you for watching our review. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you own them.